To set up SMS, click on the settings and then click on the entire site. And within that, click on the options inside information. And at the bottom you will see that setup SMS option. And if you are using email SMS or SMS is sent via email, you can select email SMS or you can select Twilio SMS. In order to set up Twilio SMS, we have to create an account in twilio.com, and after creating the account you can get their account ID and you can copy it and put it over here. And along with the account ID you need to get the authentication token, and you copy the authentication token from here and put it here. And then finally you will get an email or phone number from them, and you can take their phone number and then copy it over here. And finally you click on save. So once the SMS settings are saved here, you can go to applications and go to the users, and then let's go to this user here and let's set up the SMS here. And in order to set up the SMS, you need to write your phone number and you click on request code. So once you click on the request code, you will get the code on your cell phone, and then type the code over here. And once it is verified, you can either click on save or you can test the SMS. So let's do the test SMS, and I got an SMS now. So finally you select the enable SMS and you want it for system notifications or for manual alerts, and then click on save, and then you are all done. So this is how you set the SMS. Now once you have set the SMS, you can go and read your SMS, or you can see which SMS has gone by clicking on show all again, and come to log here and click on SMS queue. So SMS queue is going to show you all the SMS that has been sent from the system, what time it is sent, and if you want to get the actual SMS ID of Twilio, you can select that, and then you can go to Twilio and see more details on the SMS.